Hello students, in this video we will see how we can insert media like images onto our website. Inserting images. In order to insert an image on a web page, we have a tag called img. img tag will allow us to insert an image using this source. Again, here we have to enter the inline attributes, that is within the image tag we have to mention the source of our image. The source generally tells the path where the image has been stored on the system. The image, make sure the image has an extension, a proper extension that is supported by the web pages like JPG, PNG, etc. So, the source indicates the location of the file. Then in the conventional HTML we can also decide or we can also determine the width and height of the image. So, we have width and height attributes that can determine the size of the image, and also we have an attribute called border which can be used to add border in pixels to the image. Then alternate text. There comes a situation where the website does not support the image that we have uploaded. In that case, there has to be some description about the image that can be given using the alternate text, that is alt attribute. The alt attribute tells the description of the image when the image fails to show up. Here is how we use alt attribute: image, source followed by its path or location of the file followed by the alt attribute which says picture of a satellite. Then links. Let us discuss how we can insert links onto a web page. Generally, a link would tell us or it would help us to navigate to a different page or to a completely new website. We can also do some activity like playing videos or audio files or download the files as well. So, the link has three parts: a destination, a label and a target. To create a link type, we have an attribute called href, and if you see carefully, href is enclosed in a tag called a. So, let us see what this a tag does. Let us look into the anatomy of the link. We have anchor tag href which refers to hyperlink reference, then the page that we want to visit or the file that we want to visit, and the name. So, the link would appear by the name given here. So, when a person clicks on label, it would navigate us to this particular file. So, in order to create a link to our college, we would say this: anchor tag href equals to our web page link followed by KMIT. So, on the web page we would get KMIT as a label. When a person clicks on KMIT, he will be taken to that particular website. We can also use links to send an email. All we have to do is we have to mention the mail ID of the particular receiver, then we may enter some text here. So, when we click on email TRR, a mail will be sent to that particular mail ID. So now let's talk about anchors. Now what anchors are? In the previous slides you may have observed the links have been enclosed within a tag called A. They are anchor tags. These anchor tags, they enable the website, or I should say they will enable the link. If we do not use anchor tag, that link is not enabled. Anchor tags will help the user to jump to that particular location of the site. So to create an anchor tag, we have to use a tag. It is a paired tag, we have to open it and close it, and as an inline text we have to specify the position of that particular location. So to create the link type, we have seen already, we have to use a tag, enclose it, and then within which we have to put the links. Example of an anchor tag. If you use it for a reading purpose or for a PDF file, you may mention the chapter names, and when you click on that chapter name, it would take us directly to that chapter. It basically enables the location to which we want to visit. Thank you.